Hey, this is Ridan. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. So today video is an important video. It isn't about like if anyone want to make an website account e-commerce and want to add a product and sell a product that is definitely related to the e-commerce. So what plugin do you need for this and how can you do this? So the series about website related to sell and buy and all and taking starting now, so make sure you will watch all the videos properly. Don't forget to watch that full series. It's gonna be so informative for the beginners because I got a good response from my viewers, and I think that is a good thing. So that's been everyone going to in a good lead and learning from this as a beginner. So I'm glad to know that. So let's start. What plugin you have to install for this? The plugin name is WooCommerce, that is used for the e-commerce websites, add products, sell products, and whatever you want to do, buying, purchasing, and all the things. So let's start. What you have to do: log in into your dashboard and coin plugins. Click on Add New, and here you have to search a plugin with the name of WooCommerce. That is an amazing, and I think everyone know this plugin. So okay, I said there's a WooCommerce plugin over here, but if someone don't see this plugin over here, what you have to do, I already told everyone that what you have to do, website, go on Google and search for WooCommerce and whatever plugin you want to install for this WooCommerce. And okay, make sure you install all the plugins from WordPress org. This is the official website. Don't go with another official website or anything like that. Okay, so here just go here and search for WooCommerce, and here you see you can find this WooCommerce and go here, download it and con upload a plugin and just upload over here. But I'm glad to see that I found here and I can install this like that. Okay, here you can see that the WooCommerce strip payment gateway and what many more plugins about there. So we gonna be turn by turn and step by step. I don't want to be like more complicated this for you. Okay, as you can see that the plugin is installed now. Let's activate it. As as it's activate, the plugin shown over here as our plugin for like Elementscape, WP form, and my sticky elements, social share, and much more. Use the SEO. So it maybe take some time, like it depends on your internet and much more things. So okay, how you can set up the this one, and how you can go with that. This is a totally different method. So here what you have to do, choose your country. For example, my country is United States. Choose whatever your country is. Okay, and with that you have to select the region, and I think you have to select the, okay, I got it. So here you have to put the address and what is over here. And if you want some tips like that, and click on continue. Yes, count me in, build a better WooCommerce. Yes, count me in, and click on continue. Just detail all the details over here, your address, your zip code, and here you can see that the which industry does the store operate. So what are you providing? You are providing education and learning, you are providing the health and beauty, and if you buy and the things is not here, just click on other, and write in the description that what are you providing, what are your store related, and what are you doing. So just click on here and click on continue if you want to add the description or not. If you don't want to, just go it and you can do it later. And okay, uh, here you can see that we have some physical products. If we sell the physical product, click on physical products. So if we provide the downloads and subscription, what we have to do the things whatever. And if you want to do with the booking bundles and customer product, we have to buy the this and per month the continue bundle and much more things like this. Check on this and click on continue, and as you can see the store details, industry, product types, and now we have to put some business details over here, and let's see. Okay, here you can see the plugins were successfully activated, and okay, here they are asking some business detail and some free features like how many product do you want to display. Like, I don't have the product yet, and if you want to 1 or 10, and it's a small business, and currently selling elsewhere. If you are, then no, say yes, no other platform, and uh, whatever you want to choose like that. Yes, in a person and a physical store, and even like that, and something like that. I'm setting up a store for a client, or if you are doing for yourself, but if you are doing a setup for a client, just click on continue, and uh, add recommendation features of the site, like what are they providing. The free things is like shipping, automatic taxis, and your security of cost, level of email, sell on Amazon, Walmart, and Costco, and whatever you want to sell. Google listening and ads, and what more things. These are the free. Click on continue if you want to skip on anything like that. You can check, uncheck according to your choice, definitely. Okay, so let's see what are they doing and what are they providing. It takes some time, so don't bother, because it's setting up all the things in your dashboard. Okay, so now our product type, business details is complete. Now the final step is choose a theme. So if you have any current theme, you can do from this, and from here you can select a free themes, like you can demo this theme, how it's look like, and how it present. For example, as you can see that the theme is like that. As you can see, we can add the product, and add to cart, comments, and much more things over here. And here you can see the blog option, shop option, and pricing table, reviews, and much more things, my account, about this, and much more. From here you can see preview in tab, in phone, that how it's look, and how it is represent the menu, the things, and whatever the things you want to. Okay, from here you can choose, and you can do with the paid themes if you have, like, and you can go with the free themes. We have a lot of free themes over here. You can choose about your demand, and of course your choices, and much more things. So this is how it's work, and you can skip these steps, and you can choose according to your choice as you want. So this is how it's work. You can choose from here by selecting this. For example, this is one is a boutique, and just click on here, and you can do with the live demo. For example, I click on live demo, and Here you can see that this is an earring shop like that, and I want to go with that. I want to sell the earrings, and from here I just click on choose, and this will be chosen, and gonna be take some time. Here you can see the show blog and much more options, and if you don't want to go with it, you can cancel at that time, and you can go with the live demo in this. And you can see that we have some uh, this one is on here. I don't think this one is a code for me. This one is a great, like, if I click on this is about this, and you can choose anyone. If you like someone interface, so you can choose according to your choice and add your product over here. For example, I choose this one. I click on choose, and it will be start over here, and it's gonna be set up. So it may take some time, so don't worry about this. Have some patience, and let's see here. From you can see that. Um, okay, so here you can see that we have set up the our plan and much more things. And from here you can see the WooCommerce over here, and from here you can see the home, order, subscription, custom coupon, report setting, and much more things. So so this is our first page and first video about this. So as we move forward, we go with the details and all the things. So don't forget to subscribe, watch this full series about the WooCommerce e-commerce website. I hope you like this video. Comment your questions. If you have any questions, just let me know in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.